Hi everyone, continuing with the session. So now we are going to discuss about the evaluation of rigid payment. Payment evaluation involves the study of various factors such as subgrid support, payment composition and its thickness. Also the traffic loading and environmental conditions. A visual inspection of the payment surface can provide valuable information. Visual inspection data can be used to evaluate current payment condition, predict future payment performance, and determine and prioritize payment maintenance and rehabilitation needs. Also, it estimates the repair quantities and evaluate the performance of different maintenance and rehabilitation techniques and its materials. Payment inspection is conducted on inspection units. An inspection unit is a small segment of a payment section or management unit selected of convenient size, which is then inspected in detail. The distress found in the inspection unit is used to calculate the PCR for the inspection unit inspected. The PCR of the inspected inspection units is the section are then used to represent the condition of the entire section. Visual inspection is a method of inspecting the payment surface for detecting and assessing the amount and severity of various layers of damage. Recently, automated viral survey techniques have become more common and are being adopted for distress, runways, and payment condition evaluation. An inspection unit can vary from 15 to 60 meter long by one of 4 lanes wide. Generally, inspection unit should have a relatively uniform size within the uniform section. For example, if a 2-lane road 7.5 meters wide is being inspected, the inspection units could be approximately 30 meters long. For a 4-lane road, say about 15.6 meters wide, the inspection units can be 30 meters long by 7.6 meters wide and only to go to the center line. The unit selected for inspections can be alternated between the lanes. When a small area of payment is found to be much worse than the majority of the payment, it can be inspected and identified as a special inspection unit. I repeat, when a small area of the payment is more or much worse than the majority of the payment, then it is considered as a special inspection unit. This is used to identify areas of localized deterioration, such as an area damaged by utility cuts, crossing of construction, traffic, or other localized problems. The inspector checks the sample unit and recording the type, severity, and amount must correspond to those defined in this distress identification manual. The quantities and severity should be normally be estimated using measuring techniques as accurate as possible. The evaluation by unevenness measurement. Generally, the key component to a quality payment management system is quality data collection during the payment evaluation process. It is important that the data collected during each inspection can be compared with previous payment inspections. Several methods for data collection are available. The method selected should reflect the capabilities and goals and objectives of the payment management system. All payment management systems should include a visual inspection of some or the other type. A properly executed visual evaluation is one of the most reliable and efficient forms of payment evaluation which is available. It is simple, inexpensive, and provides a greater deal of valuable information about payment condition. Visual inspection techniques range from informal drive-overs to formal methods such as PCR or long-term payment performance methods. Payment unevenness may be measured using unevenness indicator, profilograph, profilometer, or roughometer, an equipment capable of integrating the unevenness pavement surface to a cumulative scale, and it gives the unevenness index of the surface in centimeter per kilometer length of the road, which is called unevenness integrator. The pavement unevenness criteria indicates the pavement riding qualities in terms of unevenness index, and it is recommended by the highway authority. So in the given table, you can observe in old payments and in new payments what is the unevenness index and riding quality. And unevenness index is given in terms of centimeter per kilometer. If it is below 95, then the riding quality is considered as excellent. Between 95 to 119, it is taken as good. 120 to 144, it is fair enough. From 145 to 240, the riding quality is poor. And above 240, it is very poor in old payments. If you're coming back to the new payments, the unevenness index, again, it is given in centimeter per kilometer. Below 120 index, it is generally considered as good riding quality. If it is 120 to 145, then fair. If the index is above 145, then the riding quality is termed as very poor riding quality. Thank you.